There are so many wonderful ways to bring vanilla into your home kitchen, and I'm here to explain to you the different forms that vanilla takes. And I'm going to start with the most familiar. This is vanilla extract, and I should say this is our favorite pure extract. Everything on the table actually won a taste test within its category. Extract is made with vanilla beans soaked in water and alcohol. It's got an oaky flavor, and it's boozy because it's 35% alcohol in the final product. Next to it is imitation. Now, I'm going to give you permission to go save a lot of money if you want to buy imitation extract. When we've done taste tests here in the test kitchen, some of my colleagues, I'm not going to share their names, have actually chosen the baked goods made with imitation extract over the ones made with pure extract. And the reason for that is there's only one of the 500 flavor compounds that is in pures in imitation, but it's the most potent. It's the vanillin. And also, most brands don't have any alcohol, so that there's no booze to interfere with the vanilla flavor. So if you want to choose imitation extract, go ahead and do that. It's a one-for-one replacement for pure extract in any recipe. Next up on the table, we have vanilla beans. Now, if you want specks in your dessert, this is the classic choice. If you're shopping for vanilla beans, the most important thing is to actually make sure they're pliable. They will dry out over time, and if they are hard and don't flex, that means they've lost a lot of their flavor. And since they're so expensive, they're the most expensive thing here on the table, that's really a shame. Now, if you want to use a vanilla bean in a recipe that calls for extract, you should assume that the seeds are going to be equivalent in one medium vanilla bean to about a tablespoon of extract. So let's move on to some of the things you may be less familiar with that you will see in a lot of professional kitchens. First up, we have vanilla paste, and I want to show you what this is. It's made with vanilla extract, ground vanilla beans, and it's got some sugars and some gums in it. And it really has a consistency of almost like maple syrup. It will give you those lovely seeds in the final dish, and it's shelf stable. So if you're worried about your vanilla beans drying up before you get to them, the vanilla paste is a great option because it's going to last in your pantry indefinitely. If you want to use vanilla paste in a recipe that calls for extract, it's a one-to-one substitute, so simple, easy to remember. Last on the table, we have two forms of what's called dry vanilla. Now, the first one is ground vanilla, and this is 100% vanilla beans that literally has been ground. The aroma, oh my heavens, this has the most potent aroma of anything on the table because, of course, it's 100% pure vanilla that's been ground. So if you want to use this in a recipe that calls for extract, it's actually use half as much. So a recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of extract, you'd only use 1 teaspoon of the ground vanilla. It's also pretty expensive since it's 100% vanilla. The last thing here on the table is vanilla powder. Now this is made with vanilla derivatives and sugars. It can be sprinkled directly on baked goods, so if you wanted to sprinkle some over cookies or a tart, you can do that. Both the vanilla powder and the ground vanilla can be added to spice rubs, and you can put them on meats before they go onto the barbecue. It also can be used one-for-one for extract. So there you have it. It's the wonderful world of vanilla with so many options.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.